So this is a recording to show you how this thing works in the morning, right? And basically this is Trade Ideas software, and you're looking at, so this is multi-strategy. These are stocks with the most momentum, stocks which break out with bang early. They will show up here similarly on the bearish side, and these are basically like dollar breakouts. These are dollar breakdowns, right? So now 9:30, you see nothing showing up here as of now, and it will start building. So as you can see, Palo Alto Network, HD, Microsoft, IPX, those are the first few breakouts which are happening, and here you see like the new high, new low, which tells you buying, selling pressure in the market. Now these numbers are not really big currently, so there is like it's a slow open basically, I would say. A lot of profit taking into the gaps probably will happen. So these are all the stocks which are breaking out right actually basically at the moment. Some of them like with this not major volume. Day one buster play. So this is one side. The other side, other thing is like the TC2000, which is where I'm actually doing my scanning and looking at setups basically, right? So this is an additional tool which helps in finding many times breakouts very quickly. So Tesla, a lot of strong buying in Tesla, Nvidia, a lot of strong buying you see here. So that means it's already made 118 or 120 new highs it has made from the open. So again, like see, this is not showing you very strong buying as of now, right? And when there is a strong buying, this whole panel will be full, right? And not much of a selling also. So it's a slow open. Yeah, as you can see here, there is still buying. 15 stocks are making new high, right? And basically, so buyers more buying than selling currently. So Tesla is where there is the strongest buying you see as of now in the morning. Tesla, Nvidia had like strong buying. Nvidia. Chinese stocks, some news out of China about the stimulus package. So you see Chinese stocks now Netflix is showing up. Most of these stocks are already up 2 3 days in a row. So the buy points on most of those things like Tesla, Nvidia were much earlier, right? And so these are not really fresh breakout. They are just having a continuation. So you see this has turned red now. So you might see slowly a lot of things fading. So as expected, as we discussed in the morning Zoom call, like in a lot of things after gapping up are fading at the moment because a lot of gaps were happening. So that's a typical behavior when there's a lot of gaps, especially on stocks which are already extended. Now you see other stocks showing up. CCJ, which was a breakout from yesterday, which is having a nice follow through. So this is something. CCJ was a breakout which happened yesterday, right? That's having a nice follow through. So there's a lot of buying currently because you see this is at 20. So that means 20 stocks are making new highs. So while this is going on here, on the other side, like, and I'm using this to look at breakouts and breakdown, right? And basically, so that is where actual trades come from. So the Chinese stocks are having good breakouts today, a lot of them. So now some breakouts are starting to show up. As you can see, some financial stocks like Wells Fargo and things are showing up there a little bit, but no strong buying there. So now let's look at like an, scans, and then you'll see IWM. Now that is breaking out after a small pause. You have U, which is trying to break out from this congestion. CMA, Activision. Now, as you can see, couple of them, like, and it might be IWM, UI might be the one. Not much at the moment on this one. And on the combination bearish side, you'll see a lot of stocks had like a gapped up. They are fading a little bit, which is to be expected because those gaps were not really sustainable. So if you're looking for something to keep an eye on early, look at Prudential Financial or look at like that AI or those kind of stocks which are basically showing up early, right? Or like say IWM. UI. Those are the one which are looking good. Wells Fargo company. Those are slow moving stocks, right? So this is how in the first 15 minutes you can find opportunities provided you have the right tools and you have the right scans and you have the right situational awareness. As we discussed in the morning, most likely situation was that a lot of these gaps are at least going to fade a little bit because of profit taking.